Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
The policeman who was mowed down during a traffic stop along the North-South Highway in Senton has succumbed. He is Constable Roshane Lee, who was assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. The police high command says it is saddened by Lee's death, who passed away in hospital today. My viewers and subscribers, I did see this a circle around, I never get the chance to upload it. But yeah, it is a hit and run accident will take place basically. So it is alleged, I'm not really sure. Them say it was a cop that did it. So basically they must say I want another police. So this a man here and just drive down upon him. You understand? He must come out on the road to stop the vehicle or whatever. I'm not sure if I saw it go, but that is the talk of the street. Yeah, say somebody we known by. It look like them never get on or what's not. But yeah, that. I just want to say rest in peace to him, and my condolence goes out to the family. You see them type of something you need to stop. So we don't know what caused this. If I'm police bridging do it for true, like he should never done something like that. This not right. You can't see a bridging your work colleague out in the street and then they just, they drive down and let down the man. Say the man dead now. Them something on the right man. As bad as things may be, me have to talk it truth, my viewers and subscribers. Them something is not right. It's unacceptable. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has issued a rousing call to Labour rights to spread the word about their party's achievements in office. He says there's no need for any JLP supporter to even attempt to mislead people about the record of the administration in office. The Prime Minister says the work done by his government to improve the country is plain for all to see. Andrew Holness needs to stop tell lie and stop walk and talk about the JLP deserve another term in charge of local government, because you don't deserve no third chance. You have to stop it. You have to stop walk and tell lie. But what kind of work you have been doing? Yeah, let's get to the bottom of it. What kind of work you have been doing? Building up apartments. We all know that say and Juliet I build up apartments. Number 2. Alright, you come up with something where you say 3-story building where you are go build, which you have another hospital that you start. I think it is Cornwall Hospital where you start. I know you can blouse and skirt finish. Brother, stop going. Like you think we don't know what happened. We know exactly what is happening. The only thing you do, and what else you build up? Highway, where the Chinese them contract that. We build up highway. Come, talk what you're doing in the rural areas, because all of them something the way I do, benefit poor people. Benefit poor people at all. So talk truth. You build up apartments, you build up infrastructure for who? Who are those infrastructure for? You don't have nothing to do with the Jamaican. I feel you and your rich cronies them. Because Jamaican people can't afford that. Jamaican people can't afford that, All that the pinnacle where you have put up, build up, all them Jamaican people, how Jamaican people are going to benefit from it. So it don't make no sense, brother. So you talk about playing for sea. Playing for sea what? Everything what you do is for you and your cronies and your rich friend them. Nothing for me. I understand. So if Jamaican people now, I go vote for you, because then you build up infrastructure where them can't afford if you go in. Make it make sense. When we have healthcare system, we have fail, we need to fix. We need the road them we fix. We need a lot of things to be done. And your wellness. I come and chat about plain to see what? What you do? What have you been doing? Telling lie, I build up some little place, I say 18 million for build them up, which you not no go so. Talk and you only talk. Because you don't make no damn sense. You're just doing all of this you do because you want to be in charge. That's all you want to be, the prime minister. Remember, the whole I want to start the take, You started, and make Juliet follow, and disrespect the opposition side, You understand me? She claims that she in a parliament for 7 years and she not have no manners when it come to the opposition side. It one of the same. I can't believe a mother, a woman was supposed to empower Jamaican people. Yeah, she not have no clue. She not have no clue. All she do, I get up and I fight against Jamaican people. This is what she's doing. Because from you defend your husband. Yeah, your husband when I declare asset. Of course, you fight against Jamaican people. She not mean Jamaican people no good. And then Andrew have the audacity to stand up and talk about it is in plain sight. What in plain sight? If Jamaican people really go vote for you build highway and vote for you build up big infrastructure with them not have, with them can use. Tell me if it makes sense. Them really lick them rotted whole head. And when I see them a follow behind them, I feel laugh and say, them see a man get up and ball every rascal about day. Every day they get up and ball. But government now do this, government now do that, and them see them when I follow behind you, PP clock. And I say, so no have no rotted whole sense. No see. So no have no damn sense. Andrew no mean no good. Una health come first. But to Andrew, wealth come first before phone health. And when I suffer like drunk or every day I get up behind Andrew Wallace, like Andrew Wallace are giving us something and I do something for no. Andrew Wallace now do nothing for the country. Nothing. I'm going to take him and do a build up big infrastructure. What that have to do with we? We can benefit from that. If rich people for him make more money, man, him friend them. And una just go on like una no damn sense. Seriously, you see if una really voting Andrew Wallace, me say me day after broadcast everything will happen to Uno because this time me not go sorry for Uno none at all. But I will be here ready and waiting for broadcast the things them. This is why I'm urging people to go out and vote for Mark Golden because we need a change. If you don't want a change, you have to vote for somebody else. You can't sit down with Andrew Holness. If you don't want a change, you can't sit down with the same Prime Minister. We are promising. That's all in do. That's all Andrew Holness do. I'm going to take in the video clip here.
I love the poor, but I hate poverty.
My viewers and subscribers, tell me if that makes sense. What Andrew Holness say makes sense? How you feel love the poor and hate the poverty? If Andrew Holness did really love the poor, you know things saying would take them out of poverty long time? Talk short now. You know, say Andrew had a pretty speech. You can't trust Andrew Holness, he can't be trusted. Andrew Holness say he loved the poor, but he hate the poverty. Lie, because Andrew Holness in the 8th year now. If him did love the poor like the way how him say it, yeah, he take them out of poverty long blouse and skirt time. He would build up apartments which Jamaican people can afford and put them in, so people now fear rent land, people now fear build boardhouse and them kind of something there. Yeah, enough things Andrew Holness could have put in place. He would correct the health system. He would make sure say him go out. They say like when you love walk out when they come to election, when election near, he would make sure say go to nice places and start working. It take long for start up work, for go out in the healthcare system and make sure say it is fixed. He would hear the Jamaican people cries. Andrew Holness told lie. I do not believe Jamaican people on a don't believe Andrew Holness. If on a real and you see idiot them a laugh and a cheer at Andrew Holness, you see how them a go on, how them a behave, me can't believe. Andrew Holness say he love poor people and he hate poverty. You is telling a big fat lie. If you really love the poor people, Andrew Holness say take them out of poverty long time because they get whole heap of billions of money could undo that. But you choose not to. Instead, you choose to build up your family and your friend them. That's all they do. Bring in be an investor for come and invest in the country so it benefit them. When investor come in the country, my viewers and subscribers, and we it a benefit, it a benefit them because when they invest and take their money and come back and feed them country. You understand? So people have understanding. When I benefit nothing from it. So when Andrew Honest come talk about he love poor, but he eat pop, it's a lie, Andrew Honest. He must say a talk lie. Me can't believe that. You don't really believe that? You don't really believe? Me say when me hear the people them, hey, me I say come like they not hear what Andrew Honest just say. Eh? Me say sometimes when you have some people, me no know. Me no know. It's come like something wrong with you. You can love poor people. 8 years now you're in there, you promise we say you're going to change. When he's not treating my fellow brothers and my fellow sisters right, it get me irritable and I'm going to speak out against Andrew Honest. I do not hate Andrew Honest. I do not. But when Andrew Honest come and I behave certain way and I go on like so Jamaica belongs to him, yeah, like my grandmother did sign it over, give it to him and Juliet Honest, it upset me because he didn't do nothing for Jamaican people. This is why I'm a lick out against Andrew Honest. I remember one time Andrew Honest win, yeah, I was so happy because I said, guess what, this a man, a young man, it's a young youth and he know how it thing go. You get me? He know how the thing go. He touch the street and he know how the street set. He know he come from poverty, poor. Well, not really poor life, but he understand how poor life is. And he understand the rural areas. So this a man I got change up the place. Me blouse and skirt. And you only start going with one bag of shit. I want to think say me now. Me, when you do good, you have to when you do good, you have to give good to Caesar. You understand? So when you do good, I'm gonna say you're doing good. But when you do bad, I'm gonna say you're doing bad. When Andrew Honest did just win, yeah, Andrew Honest did go on good. Until after sudden, I don't know what they gonna tell him about money. Money change everything. Money change everything. This is the reason why right now Andrew Honest can declare an asset because of money. He put money upon the Jamaican people them head. And that Andrew Honest do. This is what he do. When we come out and me I say, oh, me have to talk for now. And I remember I said this man I come out and promise him I'm gonna do this and do that now, and we believe, Then he start going with him foolishness. Of course, me I gonna look out against him. What do you want me to do? Tell lie, but I stay like no for So no for me say come in the comment section and go on like want disrespect the thing. It don't really matter to me. It don't really matter if you don't want this. It don't really matter. I care zero. I'm talking for the voiceless. You understand me? Lot of Jamaican people is scared to speak out. Not even them vice they don't want to do or they're afraid. They're afraid like a puss. They know say Andrew Honest not doing the right thing. They know say Andrew Honest not doing the right thing. You understand me? Yeah. So you see when we bloggers come out, enough of the people them are show we them are sending a video clip to we. And we see what go on, we see how the road stay, we see what go on. And enough of them are do it. You understand? And we have to speak up for the people then because there's no one there to speak up for them. There's no human rights. We have to speak up for Jamaican people because as Andrew Honest stretch a money so then a member about Jamaican people. So Andrew Honest come out and come talk off him out, but he love the poor. You told lie. I go you for go. I go you for go from yourself about your love poor people. You don't love nobody but a damn self. You pity them, your woman and your friend. You don't care about nobody. What you chat about? I think people are fooled around here. The thing we are fooled around here, Andrew Honest. Me not rate you. You understand me? Me tell you already, I do not hate him. I do not hate Andrew Honest. Me just hate the things them, him attitude towards us. He not care for you, so obviously I'm going to upset. You understand? Me I go upset. I am a Jamaican. And if me say something not right, me I go speak out against it. You understand? I have to do the right thing. So, stay there and I go think say Andrew Honest love lie. I just a pretty speech. Andrew no love nobody. It's only a pretty speech. I mean, know when I go up kulu eye and see what really I go on. My viewers and subscribers, tell me how you feel about this and tell me what you think about it. Put honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me if you really believe Andrew Honest love poor people. And remember where I come from. Tell me, you don't really put it in the comment section because this man I just pretty speech in come with.
I'm Mr. Mark Wallington now. Yeah. We're not up here rent and light bill. Yeah. Come out. Yeah. Time to go. Yeah. Give me a talk inside. Yeah.
So in hear what Barbara say. Alright, so put uno honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.